Well, me and my wife decided to go in and come down here. I was going to show her my old stomping grounds where me and my buddies used to fish during high school and all that. It's changed a little bit. It's gotten a little lower than what it used to be. Over there with the trees, you can see the Bobber graveyard over there. Pretty neat though. See what we can catch. Woo! The first fish in 10 years. Well, my dad said he wanted to go catfishing sometime this week, and that's what you use, is these little perch. A freaking bass! Woo!
Hey!
I did not expect that. When it really started to fight, I was like, what the heck? Three. Got it?
Yay!
It's a good one. We got another one. You cast it over there, see if you can get it. I can't get it over there on mine. We're kind of close to that log. Just curious, yeah, that was perfect. Try it. Yeah. How many is that now? Three? Woo! Another one.
Really? Oh my goodness! Oh, that one has yellow fins!
Yeah, that one's pretty.
That's freaking cool.
Well, we've probably been out here for about an hour or so. We're packing up, getting ready to leave. It's been 10 plus years since I've last fished here. It's had a great time, just like how I remember it. Water's a little lower though. I think I'm gonna go to a couple of new places. Quit looking! I think I'm gonna go to a couple more places that I haven't been in a while and try out. See you in the next video.